All right, those are just my Pepperidge Farms puff pastry shells. I'm just gonna pop these into my oven at 425 for about 15 minutes. Alrighty, in the meantime, I'm just gonna grab a bowl here and I am bringing in my Philadelphia whipped cream cheese. I like the whipped, but you can also just use a softened regular cream cheese. And I'm just gonna add a little bit from this container too, but it's perfect. I'm gonna use the rest of this on my bagels the rest of the week. Now I've got my original real bacon bits here, and I'm just gonna give a generous amount of that, probably about half the bags or about 1 cup. Now to this, I'm gonna add some sharp cheddar cheese. This is a 2-cup bag, and I think I'm gonna add, about 1.5 cups, so about 3/4 of this bag. And now I've got, of course, some garlic powder, and I'm just gonna put about a teaspoon or 2 of that. All right, I'm gonna give this a good mix. Now, of course, you don't have to use the pre-made bacon crumbles. You can make your own bacon, just cook it on up, get it nice and crunchy, and then, cut it into small pieces and fold it in with your cream cheese, just the same. You can use any kind of cheese you like. I just like sharp cheddar because I feel like everyone likes sharp cheddar. I think there's some people that have an aversion to some of those stinkier cheeses like brie or blue cheese, stuff like that. But this, I feel like, is a crowd pleaser. Everyone likes it. You can even add some nuts to this. I feel like a little crunch of nuts would be really good. But yeah, we're almost done. This is so easy. I can't wait for you to see this fun holiday treat. Alrighty, y'all. We baked up our little puff pastries for just about 18 minutes. They look so delicious, light and fluffy. Now I'm just gonna come in with my little fork here. We're gonna pop out the centers. Look at that. Perfect little puff pastry hole, just ready to be filled with something delicious for the holidays. Ooh, they are hot. You can let them cool down, of course. You can fill these with something hot or cool in the middle, which is amazing. They're so versatile. I love to use them for desserts, but we're doing something a little more on the savory side today. And I think you guys are really gonna like this. It's perfect for your holiday table. It's more exciting than just having, a Pillsbury crescent roll or a biscuit, although everyone loves those, myself included. But we're doing a sort of elevated, fancy accoutrement for the holiday table. All right, I'm coming in with my delicious filling here now. We have got that bacon, cheddar, garlic, whipped cream cheese. And we're just getting ready to put a bit of that inside each one of these puff pastries. And like I was saying, I really do think a nut would be so good in here. Just give you a little crunch to the mouth. I'm so into that. And you could do this with, a pecan crushed up small with your whipped cream cheese and a dried cranberry or any kind of fun combination like that. We're gonna do something really cute and festive though on top of these. We are not done yet. I'm just getting all these puff pastry holes filled up. Alrighty, I'm coming in with my whole berry cranberry sauce. I love the cranberry with just a little bit of savory yumminess. Now you don't have to add this much cran on top of yours if you're not a cranberry fan, but I am a cranberry lover. Now I've got just a tiny bit of finely chopped pistachios. I almost said pecans because I've been doing so many pecan things around the holidays. I feel like pecan is the nut of the holidays, so I think it's nice to do a little touch of something different, some pistachio on here. You could put these inside in the filling as well if you'd like, but look at how pretty this looks. I'm loving it. And we're just gonna finish this up with a little sprig of rosemary. Look how gorgeous. And it's gonna smell so fresh, so delicious. Y'all, Marty's not that impressed with my decorating of these right now, but let me just tell you, I'm proud of them. I think they look really good. So drop a comment below. Let me know if you think I'm right or Marty's right. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna put all these onto my fancy holiday plate. Is this not gonna be the most beautiful addition to your holiday table? Y'all, that is so pretty. Merry Christmas, y'all. You gotta try it.